Welcome back, everybody. Say hi, Monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, Monkey. Just a quick catch up. What's occurring in the greenhouse? It is today, Saturday. It's nearly 3:30 there. It's 9 centigrade inside, so it's pretty nippy in here. I want to show you everything that's occurring. I've got my 2 heater propagators here. Number one, these are my Carnations, Giant Pacific Mix, I think they're called. And then we have some Penstemons, and they're set at 20, so they're nice and snug in there. Then we have to this side here, get those off, we have some Echinacea there, Echinacea, and there's some petunias in the middle that are all sprouting, which is great. There's some Gypsophilia at the end, and here we have some bee balm, which is growing nicely there. And then we have some verbena there, there's some delphiniums. Then over here we have some arboretia, which are all growing really nicely. And then here some Hygienums, which are really growing really nice and well. And then we have some Polyanthus there, germinating well. And to this side we have hostas, which are mixed. So after having a look through all those, we have my poppies here, which are all growing nicely now. Now I've reseeded those. Then we have a quick whiz round here. This is my little heated propagator bin. Heated. Over here, sorry, that's folks. Should be this beforehand. Here we go. My little heater propagator, and this is at 24, 25 in here on my dahlias, which are growing absolutely amazingly. Just look at those. I'm so pleased with those. Look at the dahlias there. These are going to, I'm going to get such an amazing crop off these. Look at those now under the lights. There's some that have actually rotted off there, which I'm not pleased about. These are my bananas there, banana seedlings. And then come across here, we have in here, we have some Veronica mix there. Can you actually see that there? Then over here we have my begonia plugs that are growing really well. And some geranium next to those. Put them back on there. I'll leave the lid off here for a bit actually. Let this one dry out a little bit because I don't want these to rot. So I'm going to move these about. It's got some that are really dry and some that are really wet, so get the wet ones out of there, like so. And get the dry ones under there. I'm just going to leave the lid off here. Just let some air flow through there. Yeah, and we've got some perennial geraniums there. They're looking really nice. And that's about it, folks. If you've got any questions about anything on my channel, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. I really do appreciate everybody who subscribed and likes. It really does help me a lot. I'd like to thank everybody for watching, and as always, said bye, Monkey. Bye, Paul. Bye, Monkey. And thank you for watching, everybody. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much, everybody. Bye.